इसकी कुंडली में लिखा था कुल का दीपक बनेगी ये।
It's a lonely world, Sumana. It's সৃষ্টিৰ পৃথিৱীখন।
সেইদিনা আপুনি শুভবাৰ্তা চলিহাৰ কিতাপখন আপোনাৰ বাইবেল বুলি কৈছিল।
जिसके भीतर बसा शिवा है।
പഞ്ചായത്ത് സെക്രട്ടറി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ആര്?
പിടിപ്പതില്ല, ഓഫീസിൽ എത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞ പിന്നെ സാറിന് നിന്ന് തിരിയാണ്
కాపాడితే భూమి ఇంకా అందంగా ఉంటుందని జనతా గ్యారేజ్ నీకోసం ఎదురు చూస్తుంటుంది.
ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಮಗು?
ಅಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ.
त्यांना ही सायकल आहे ना, ही एका विलायती माणसाने दिली.
अशी सायकल कोणाकडेच नव्हती. देखणी, उंची, शाही.
सायकल असतील बाकीच्या आपल्या.
कळलं जातोय मी तिथे.
बरं, गावाला पण तू करतोस का मी करू?
मी करतो. तुम्ही आता सगळ्यांना फोन करत बसू प्लीज.
पेशंटचं नाव?
गजानन कामेरकर.
काय चाललंय?
ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഭരണഘടന എഴുതിയുണ്ടാക്കിയത് ആരാണ്? ഡോക്ടർ ബി.ആർ. അംബേദ്കർ.
खारी बिस्किट खाऊन मार्केटला गेले.
अरे राजा, कसा आहेस? अरे केस गेले का रे तुझे? हल्ली बाजारात कितीतरी तेल आलीत ना, त्यातलं एखादं तेल लाव ना.
पहिल्यांदा खोबरेल तेल खूप गरम करायचं, त्याच्यात ते फुलं घालायची आणि चांगला कड काढायचा.
మంచి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ మెనూ పెట్టుకొని ఎక్కడైనా బిజినెస్ చేయొచ్చు.
They call it the street food revolution.
Interesting. No, it's quite good.
అది ఓకే అన్నది అనుకోరా, ఏంది సైడ్ తీసుకపోయి చెప్పు. ఇగో అక్క, నాకు జర ఇజ్జత్ లేదు, ఇంతకుముందు జాబ్ ఉంటుండే కాల్ సెంటర్లో గర్ల్.
வேலை செய்யறதுக்கு 99% வாய்ப்பே இல்லை. ஆனா ஒரு வேலை இது நடந்துச்சுன்னு. இமேஜின் ரொமான்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபீலியா.
என்ன வளர்றீங்க?
ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்கா டீப்பா சின்சியரா லவ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா நீங்க யாரை
স্নানের ঘরে বাষ্পে ভাসো তার জীবনে ঝড়
Love you, love you, love you, love you, Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine. Miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you, Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine. Okay, na kalma saja, yeah, Jasmine. Ni bora kanni panniri, yeah, Jasmine.
ഒരു മുൻ രാഷ്ട്രപതി ചാകാൻ കിടപ്പുണ്ട്. ഈ ആൾക്കാരൊക്കെ മരിക്കുന്നത് എങ്ങനെ സഹിക്കൂലേ ചേച്ചി? ആരെങ്കിലും എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലും മരിച്ച് എനിക്കൊരു അവധി. সবচেয়ে বেশি কারো ভালোবাসিস? মারে। এ না না তোরে বাবারে।
ಶಾಪ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ, ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ, ಮಾಟಲು ಚಿಂದಿ.
ಐವತ್ತೈದು ಮೊತ್ತ.
बहुत होगी पहलवानी, अब तक गलों का।
നമ്മുടെയൊക്കെ ജീവിതം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിനൊരു അന്തവും ഒന്നും ഇല്ലല്ലോ. മനുഷ്യന്മാരുടെ കഥയാവുമ്പോ അതിനൊരു തുടക്കം ഒടുക്കമൊക്കെ വേണ്ടേ സാറേ?
I want him hanged.
ये कोई हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट का हादसा नहीं है. This is a clear case of predetermined murder.
ऋषि को आजाद देखने
कुछ आप गलती कर बैठे, लेकिन अब समझ में आया वो एक सोची समझी चाल थी.
मतलब बाजी जीतने से है, फिर चाहे प्यादा कुर्बान हो.
एक सेकंड जरी काढला तर प्राण जाऊ शकतो. 5 मिनिट दम धरू शकत नसेल तर मराठी माणूस कसला?
आपके फादर के बाजू में वो जो का भी केस कुछ ऐसा ही होता, पर फैमिली वालों ने हम मृत्युंजय जाप करवाया.
आज भोजन बाहर है.
कब तक आओगे?
तुम कहो तो मैं रुक जाऊं रानी.
जयद्रथ 51 किलोमीटर. मैं तो मरने वाला हूँ नक्की. माता हमें शाहरुख खान से मिलवा दो.
कुछ ढंग की चीज ना.
उस रात राजवीर के संग ऐसा क्या हुआ?
किसको अच्छा लगता है सर कोई इस तरीके से छुए जबरदस्ती? नथिंग ऑफ दिस सॉर्ट.
ये झूठ बोल रही है.
झूठ नहीं बोल रही.
तो सुनाइए ना परेशानी क्या है?
ও বড়তা কি হয়েছে? হ্যাঁ কি হয়েছে আপনার?
মজা মজা বই লাগিব মজা.
తిరుపతి లడ్డు అన్నారం ప్రసాదం నీ చేతి కాఫీ వీటి టేస్టే వేరు.
Za muka pe thi ke Alifa ekla samandar re tu lehr samandar re sukhi akeli hatheli
प्रिय अतिथियों, माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी हमारे बीच पधार रहे हैं। मेरी आप सभी से विनती है, कृपया शांति बनाए रखें और अपने मोबाइल फोन स्विच ऑफ कर दें।
But in the meantime, for once, you can all feel free to applaud because that AV has set up the evening for us. It's why we're all here. So while the President comes, do feel free to applaud.
माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी हमारे बीच पधारने वाले हैं कुछ ही पलों में। माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी हमारे बीच पहुंच गए हैं। हम उनका यहां हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। आप सभी से विनती है, कृपया अपने अपने स्थानों पर खड़े रहें राष्ट्रगान के लिए।
Honorable President of India, Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Honorable Minister of State for INB, members of jury, award winners, distinguished guests. At the outset, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. We are grateful to the Honorable President for sparing his valuable time for this award ceremony. The main focus of the National Film Awards is on recognizing excellence in filmmaking and acknowledging the contribution of filmmakers, actors, producers and directors of our country. There is a rigorous and time-tested selection process to pick the best amongst the year's entries. We know that India enjoys the distinction of being the largest producer of films in the world. These awards are a testimony to the fact that we are also amongst the finest in quality, in content, technique, brilliance and talent. It would be pertinent to mention that the number of entries belonging to regional languages over the years has been very encouraging. This is a reflection of our diverse cultural mosaic. I take this opportunity to invite everyone to the public screening of this year's award-winning films. These screenings will commence at the Siri Fort Auditorium for 2 weeks, beginning tomorrow, from 4th to 17th May 2017. Let me conclude by expressing my sincere gratitude to all the members of the jury who have contributed their valuable time and exercised sound judgment to select the awardees. I also extend my heartiest congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call upon Chairperson of Jury Best Writing on Cinema, Ms. Bhavna Somaya, to give review of awards in the Best Writing on Cinema category.
Honorable Minister, Honorable President of India, other ministers and dignitaries. There were 33 books and 18 critics as official entries this year, and my team and I chose Lata Surgatha as the best book because of the extensive and exhaustive research, not just on singer Lata Mangeshkar, but because it reflected 70 years of Indian music too. The second book is Fly in the Curry, which is a spectacular book on documentaries, and it explores a special relationship of the filmmaker with the narrative. For the critique, it was G. Dhananjaya, who gives the insider and the outsider perspective on the trends and the techniques of Indian cinema. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And now review of awards by Chairperson of Jury, Most Film-Friendly State, Shri Madhur Bhandarkar.
Namaskar, Honorable President of India, Pranabda, Honorable Minister, Information Broadcasting, Venkaiah Naidu ji, Minister of State, Rajvardhan Rathore ji. On the basis of detailed analysis, there were 16 states which took part, and the most friendly state goes to Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, Film Bandhu, Uttar Pradesh, single window clearance, and it's a big hub for the film industry. The jury also felt we should give award to state of Jharkhand as a special mention, and the way they are promoting the films over there is amazing. And the local talent over there. I like to wish all the people, all the two states who had made it over here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मधुर भंडारकर जी। और अब मैं अनुरोध करती हूँ गैर फीचर फिल्म निर्णायक मंडल के अध्यक्ष श्री राजू मिश्रा जी से कि अपने विचार रखें।
Namaskar. Mahamahim, Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, Honorable Minister, INB, Shri Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Minister, State, Mr. Rajvardhan Rathore ji, my colleague Mr. Priyadarshan ji, Madhur Bhandarkar ji, Director of Festival, Secretary, all the dignitaries on the stage, all the dignitaries who are present in front of me, my fellow jury members, a lot of pain you have taken, all the artists and technicians who are to be felicitated, honored today, welcome to 64th Annual Film Awards. To be honest, it was an uphill task to choose films out of more than 260 films. But it was a great pleasure as well as pain to do so. Pleasure because we got to see best of short films, featurettes, documentaries. Pain because we had to ignore some of them because ultimately few of them will be rewarded and awarded. From filmmakers all over the country, the quality of work was very high. That is precisely the reason we are pained, because many good films had to be overlooked in favor of even better films. Many of which are of high artistic value could not make it to the final. We are sorry, but it was very painful. Some films lost the battle in the last round, which were close to the best, honestly. This year we had very good films. But sadly so, I thank my jury colleagues who took a lot of pain to view these films with a lot of involvement. Out of 263 films, they shortlisted some films, about 70 of them, we saw them again. Audiovisual medium is so powerful, so great. It enters through our ears and eyes and it goes to don't know where from brain, touches the heart. That is what some of the films did. They came from heart, entered our heart. That's why we are bound to felicitate them, honor them, reward them. I have no doubts in my mind that the films we have chosen to be awarded will also touch your hearts if you watch them. As Mr. said that we'll have a screening very soon. To our level best, we tried our best. And on behalf of all my jury members, I wish all the artists and technicians who are to be felicitated all the best in their life. My regards to them, to their art and their craft. I have my regards to them. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin the award presentation now. We start with the awards for Best Writing on Cinema.
और मैं अनुरोध करती हूं आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति जी से कि अब विजेताओं को पुरस्कृत करें। पुस्तक अ फ्लाई इन द करी को विशेष उल्लेख दिया गया है। इसके लेखक हैं केपी जयशंकर और अंजलि मोंटेरो। पहले पुरस्कार
Yatindra Mishra's encyclopedic presentation encompasses Lata Mangeshkar's life, 7-decade career and its impact on Indian cinema. Divided into 3 sections, the book offers rare insights on the icon and her music.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ फिल्म समीक्षक के लिए श्री जी धनंजयन को स्वर्ण कमल।
G. Dhananjayan's in-depth analysis on a wide range of topics such as film, genres, brands, new strategies in movie watching, taxation impact and ticket pricing. It's time now to present the most film-friendly state award. A special mention goes to the state of Uttar Pradesh.
पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री संजय कुमार। इन्हें प्रमाण पत्र।
Jharkhand. I'm sorry. I stand corrected. Thank you. To foster the film industry and their endeavor to give incentives to filmmakers from across India, in addition to the above, the film policy also provides growth opportunities to the local filmmaking talent from within the state.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ फिल्म अनुकूल प्रदेश पुरस्कार जाता है उत्तर प्रदेश को। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री अवनीश के अवस्थी। इन्हें रजत कमल प्रदान किया जाता है।
For implementing a unique film policy taking into account that the film medium is not only about entertainment but is also a very important vehicle of employment, social awareness and cultural development. The state's film policy includes various measures to create a suitable environment which not only invites shooting of films on a large scale in the state but also promotes other activities.
और अब बारी है गैर फीचर फिल्म श्रेणी के पुरस्कारों की। शुरुआत करते हैं विशेष उल्लेख पुरस्कारों से। जूरी के 3 निर्देशकों का विशेष उल्लेख किया है। पहला पुरस्कार जाता है सौम्या सदानंदन को। इनकी फिल्म चेम्बई माय डिस्कवरी ऑफ अ लेजेंड के लिए इन्हें प्रमाण पत्र।
This film brings to focus the person of Chembai as musician as well as a human being with vigor and vitality.
सीकर अरु सिटकर के निर्देशक रामेन बोरा और सिबानु बोरा पहले प्रमाण पत्र ग्रहण करेंगे श्री रामेन बोरा।
An important film that uses raw visual imagery to highlight the brutality of poaching.
और अब श्री सिबानु बोरा प्रमाण पत्र ग्रहण करेंगे। The Eyes of the Darkness निर्देशक श्री अमिताभ पराशर। इन्हें भी प्रमाण पत्र।
An important film that sheds light on the denial of justice to victims of a heinous crime.
गैर फीचर फिल्म पुरस्कारों की श्रेणी में इस साल से एक नया वर्ग जोड़ा गया है। सर्वोत्तम ऑन लोकेशन ध्वनि रिकॉर्डिंग, बेस्ट ऑन लोकेशन साउंड रिकॉर्डिस्ट। ये पुरस्कार जाता है रिमेम्बरिंग कुर्दी के लिए साउंड रिकॉर्डिस्ट क्रिस्टोफर बर्शेल को। इनको रजत कमल।
Stunning location recordings that brings to life the vivid soundscape of a coastal village evoking memories of the past.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ नैरेशन वॉइस ओवर का पुरस्कार जाता है फिल्म मकीनो एंड इंडियन हाइकू के लिए सेत्सु मकीनो टोगावा को। इनको रजत कमल।
A simply narrated voice ode to a father makes this voiceover intensely personal, poignant and poetic.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ संगीत यानी बेस्ट म्यूजिक का पुरस्कार फिल्म लीचेस के लिए श्री तनुज टिक्कू को। इनको मिलता है रजत कमल।
Music becomes a character of its own in subtly highlighting the drama, and the tragedy of the central character.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ संपादन यानी बेस्ट एडिटिंग का पुरस्कार फिल्म गुड के लिए श्री जिष्णु सेन को मिलता है रजत कमल.
For seamlessly weaving the inner world of a young boy's innocence with the harsh realities of the journey he is embarking upon.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ ध्वनि आलेखन बेस्ट साउंड रिकॉर्डिंग फिल्म इन रिटर्न जस्ट अ बुक के लिए श्री अजित एब्राहम जॉर्ज को जाता है रजत कमल.
Live recording has been done in a detailed and in-depth manner, bringing alive the entire ambience.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ छायाकार यानी बेस्ट सिनेमाटोग्राफी का पुरस्कार इस बार 2 विशिष्ट छायाकारों को दिया जाता है. फिल्म कल्प वृक्ष के लिए श्री अल्पेश नागर को इनको मिलता है रजत कमल.
For its stunning, mysterious beauty of the narrative that comes alive through artful camera work, and the camera paints a rich and colorful canvas for a narrative that is both grim and tragic.
विशिष्ट छायाकार बेस्ट सिनेमाटोग्राफी का दूसरा पुरस्कार दिया जाता है श्री विशाल सांगवाई को आत्मीयत के लिए. आत्मीयत एक 8 वर्षीय बालक का मार्मिक वर्णन है, एक ऐसा नायक जो अपने धर्म और भगवान से अनभिज्ञ है.
The camera paints a rich and colorful canvas for a narrative that is both grim and tragic.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ निर्देशन का पुरस्कार फिल्म आबा एकतायना के लिए आदित्य सुहास जामने को इनको मिलता है रजत कमल.
A poignant story of a seemingly happy family that erupts in an unpredictable climax held together by strong cinematic craftsmanship.
पारिवारिक मूल्यों पर सर्वश्रेष्ठ फिल्म का पुरस्कार जाता है लिटिल मैजिशियन को. इसके निर्माता एलेक्सल आइडियाज. पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री सैयद सुल्तान अहमद. इनको मिलता है रजत कमल. फिल्म लिटिल मैजिशियंस की निर्देशिका नेहा शर्मा, इनको भी रजत कमल.
Syed Sultan Ahmed is getting the National Award for the 6th time. A big round of applause for him. Little Magicians gets the award for its sensitive portrayal and innocent film that is a reminder that the only magic that keeps a family together is love.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ बेस्ट शॉर्ट फिक्शन फिल्म का पुरस्कार जाता है फिल्म आबा को. निर्माता रैप्चिक फिल्म्स. पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री राजकुमार गुप्ता. इन्हें रजत कमल. निर्देशक अमर कौशिक को भी रजत कमल.
Cinematic excellence comes to life in this intimate story where the filmmaker shows that silence can also be used as a powerful language of expression.
निर्णायक मंडल का विशेष पुरस्कार यानी स्पेशल जूरी अवार्ड फिल्म द सिनेमा ट्रैवलर्स को निर्माता केव पिक्चर्स. पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगी शर्ली एब्राहम. इस फिल्म की निर्देशिका भी हैं. इन्हें 2 रजत कमल. द सिनेमा ट्रैवलर्स के सह निर्माता और निर्देशक श्री अमित मधेशिया. इनको भी रजत कमल.
A sensitive and lyrical ode to the magic of celluloid and a poetic tribute to the last of India's travelling cinemas.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ एनिमेशन फिल्म हम चित्र बनाते हैं की निर्देशिका नीना सबनानी. इनको भी रजत कमल. निर्माता आईडीसी आईआईटी मुंबई. पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री जीवी श्री कुमार. इन्हें रजत कमल. एनिमेटर पीयूष वर्मा को रजत कमल. सह एनिमेटर श्याम सुंदर चटर्जी को भी रजत कमल.
Playfully warm story that brings to life India's traditional art by incorporating it innovatively in the animation itself. Once again, if you please give a big hand to all of them. Thank you.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ एक्सप्लोरेशन एडवेंचर फिल्म का पुरस्कार जाता है फिल्म मतीतले कुस्ती को. निर्माता सावित्रीबाई फूले पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी. पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगी माधवी रेड्डी. आपको रजत कमल. फिल्म के निर्देशक श्री प्रांतिक विवेक देशमुख को भी रजत कमल.
An important film that throws light on a dying sporting tradition told in a cinematically intimate manner.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ शैक्षिक फिल्म बेस्ट एजुकेशनल फिल्म का पुरस्कार जाता है द वॉटरफॉल को. इसके निर्माता एलेक्सल आइडियाज का आज ये दूसरा पुरस्कार है. पहला पुरस्कार इन्हें मिला है पारिवारिक मूल्यों पर सर्वश्रेष्ठ फिल्म लिटिल मैजिशियन के लिए. जोरदार तालियां. पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री सैयद सुल्तान अहमद. इन्हें रजत कमल. लिपिका सिंह दराय जो इस फिल्म की निर्देशिका हैं, इन्हें भी रजत कमल।
A strong film that looks at issues of development and displays
सामाजिक मुद्दों पर सर्वश्रेष्ठ फिल्म बेस्ट फिल्म ऑन सोशल इश्यूज का पुरस्कार इस बार 2 फिल्मों को। पहली फिल्म आई एम जीजा, निर्माता राजीव मेहरोत्रा, पीएसबी पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे। राजीव मेहरोत्रा, रजत कमल।
30 documentary films produced by Rajiv Mehrotra Public Service Broadcasting Trust have won 55 National Film Awards in different categories so far.
स्वाति चक्रवर्ती जो फिल्म की निर्देशिका हैं, आपको भी रजत कमल।
Jiza's will and zest for life despite her personal struggles makes this simply told story a beautiful ode to life.
सामाजिक मुद्दों पर सर्वश्रेष्ठ फिल्म बेस्ट फिल्म ऑन सोशल इश्यूज का दूसरा पुरस्कार जाता है फिल्म सनत को। निर्माता श्री चित्रा टॉकीज पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगी प्रिया अरुण, आपको भी रजत कमल। वसंत एस साई जो इस फिल्म की निर्देशिका हैं, इनको भी रजत कमल।
An inspiring story of a victim of medical negligence who becomes invalid for life and uneducated and facing economic difficulties. He opens educational institutions where thousands can learn and become successful in life.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ पर्यावरण फिल्म बेस्ट एनवायरनमेंट फिल्म का पुरस्कार दिया जाता है फिल्म द टाइगर हू क्रॉस द लाइन। निर्माता अर्थ केयर प्रोडक्शंस पुरस्कार ग्रहण कर रहे हैं श्री कृष्णेंदु बोस जो इस फिल्म के निर्देशक भी हैं, इन्हें 2 रजत कमल।
Beautifully designed film that raises critical questions on the future of India's national animal.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ कला और सांस्कृतिक फिल्म बेस्ट आर्ट्स एंड कल्चरल फिल्म का पुरस्कार इस बार 2 फिल्मों को दिया जा रहा है। पहली फिल्म है इन द शेडो ऑफ टाइम, निर्माता इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल सेंटर फॉर आर्ट्स, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे डॉक्टर सच्चिदानंद जोशी, आपको रजत कमल। निर्देशक श्री शंखजीत डे, आपको भी रजत कमल।
In the era of animation, an important film that documents a dying art form which is haunting, touching, and kept alive through the sheer will of a community of poor puppeteers.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ कला और सांस्कृतिक फिल्म बेस्ट आर्ट्स एंड कल्चरल फिल्म का दूसरा पुरस्कार जाता है फिल्म द लॉर्ड ऑफ द यूनिवर्स को। इसके निर्माता हैं रॉ एज फिल्म्स, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री शिबू प्रसूति, ये फिल्म के निर्देशक भी हैं, इनको 2 रजत कमल।
This enlightening and informative film brings alive an amazing and complex ritual and takes us into the only place in the world where God comes alive as a human being.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ खोज परख फिल्म यानी बेस्ट इन्वेस्टिगेटिव फिल्म है प्लेसिबो, निर्माता स्टोरी टेलर इंक, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगी अर्चना फटके, इनको रजत कमल।
An important and intelligently crafted film that investigates the malaise plaguing one of India's premier educational institutions.
निर्देशक अभय कुमार देश में ना होने के कारण आज नहीं आ सके। और सर्वश्रेष्ठ जीवनी और ऐतिहासिक पुनर्निर्माण संकलन फिल्म बेस्ट बायोग्राफिकल हिस्टोरिकल रिकंस्ट्रक्शन फिल्म जिक्र उस परिवेश का, बेगम अख्तर, निर्माता संगीत नाटक अकेडमी, पुरस्कार प्राप्त करेंगी श्रीमती अरुणा साईराम, आपको रजत कमल। निर्देशक निर्मल चंदर, आपको भी रजत कमल।
This film uses archival recordings, recreations and interviews to take us on a touching musical journey with a lady who broke open social barriers, becoming one of India's most legendary musical maestros.
निर्देशक की पहली सर्वश्रेष्ठ गैर फीचर फिल्म बेस्ट डेब्यू नॉन फीचर फिल्म ऑफ अ डायरेक्टर का पुरस्कार जाता है सोज अ बैलेड ऑफ मेलोडीज को। आज का अपना दूसरा रजत कमल लेने के लिए फिल्म के निर्माता राजीव मेहरोत्रा पीएसबीटी को, आपको रजत कमल। फिल्म के सह निर्देशक श्री तुषार माधव को भी रजत कमल। फिल्म की सह निर्देशिका सार्वनिक कौर को भी रजत कमल।
Brave and refreshing approach to look at complex political issues weaved beautifully through music and poetry.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ गैर फीचर फिल्म बेस्ट नॉन फीचर फिल्म का पुरस्कार जाता है फायर लाइज इन द एबिस को, निर्माता माया बाजार प्रोडक्शन, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे निर्माता निर्देशक चंद्रशेखर रेड्डी, आपको 2 स्वर्ण कमल।
An intimately told story of a young boy's quest for his dreams, vividly depicted in the claustrophobic environment of illegal coal mines. The best non-feature film, Fireflies in the Abyss by Chandrasekhar Reddy, looks at the hard-scrabble life of a group of Nepalese miners in the Jaintia hills of Meghalaya. Okay, now reach the end of the non-feature film category. May I now request the Honourable President to please take a seat. Thank you so much, sir.
और अब एक संगीतमय सफर का मैं गुजारिश करती हूँ सर्वश्रेष्ठ मेल पार्श्व गायक यानी बेस्ट मेल प्लेबैक सिंगर के विजेता सुंदर अय्यर से। वो मंच पर हैं, अपना पुरस्कृत गीत जैस्मीने फिल्म जोकर से सुनाए। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करिए।
Yes, the best male playback singer Sundar Iyer and the best female playback singer Imran Chakrabarti are both debutants in the field of singing. Joker and Prakton are their debut films respectively. Please go ahead. Thank you.
Love you, Jasmine. Jasmine. Miss you, Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine. Kala chudidar, Jasmine. Nagaram bus stand, Jasmine. Kalanada palo panhan, Jasmine. Bapuna ki pohadari, Jasmine. Adukoron temalirke. காலெல்லாம் பித்த வெடித்து கழுவாத மூஞ்சி என்ன அழகால ஏண்டி கொன்ன ஓயத்து பல்லு நித்திரையே கொத்துதடி செல்போனில் பொண்டாட்டின்னு போட்டு உன் பேரை நான் புரிஞ்சு அதை ஓகே பண்ண அலைஞ்சேன் உன் போனில் ஹஸ்பண்டுன்னு போட்டு என் பேரை படிக்க நினைச்சு அது கேள்விக்காக படிச்சேன் லவ் யூ ஜாஸ்மின் என் ஜாஸ்மின் Miss you, Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine. கல்யாணத்துல பிளக்ஸ் பேனர் பூரா நாம சேர்ந்து போட்டு கொடுத்தோம் பல வீடியோ எடுத்தோம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நைட் ரூமுக்குள்ள நுழைஞ்சு நீ என்ன பார்த்து கொண்டு அந்த கனவு போச்சு கலந்தி கல்யாணத்துல பிளக்ஸ் பேனர் பூரா நாம சேர்ந்து போட்டு கொடுத்தோம் பல வீடியோ எடுத்தோம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நைட் ரூமுக்குள்ள நுழைஞ்சு நீ என்ன பார்த்து கொண்டு அந்த கனவு போச்சு love you Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine. Miss you, Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine.
Thank you, Sundar Iyer, for such a brilliant performance. I'm told you're a school teacher in a very remote school. You know, I did have talented teachers, but I would have loved to have as talented a teacher as you. Now may I request Chairman Feature Film Jury, Sri Priyadarshan, to give his review of the awards.
Honorable President of India, Sri Pranab Mukherjee, Honorable Minister Sri Venkaiah Naidu, Sri Rajyavardhan Rathod, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, It was a tough job, I should say. 344 films were there for us to judge which is the best film, which is the best director, which is the best actor, which is the best of all. And it was filtered in different processes by 5 juries of about 30 members. Finally, the Central Committee had seen 86 movies, that is about 85 films and 3 films recalled, around 88 movies. So the process, you know that how hard it would have been. I really appreciate it. It was a process of 2 months. And India being a country which makes the maximum number of movies in the world, and it's the only entertainment for a common man of India. It's also a huge income by taxes and by entertainment, sale taxes, entertainment taxes, everything. The government also makes a huge income out of it. And it is I say that cinema is a religion, one of the religion of Indians, where we generally don't think about who is who and what is what. Anyway, so with this spirit, of course, I don't want to make a very long speech about the whole process. It has been a very tough job to do this filtration and come to the conclusion at the end. And I promise you all, we have done our best. 30 people's decision. This appreciation of cinema is always subjective. My film may not be good for you. Your film may not be good for me. But when it comes to a jury, the jury's decision is final and has to be appreciated, I believe. And in that process, we have done total justice, and we have given, definitely the jury, I think, has given total importance to the movies which has got social issues, which projects our culture, our terrain, our beliefs, and projecting India. That is a major way we looked at that while analyzing these movies. And I take this opportunity to congratulate all the winners, and also take this opportunity to congratulate all the non-achievers who gave a tough fight to the winners. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद प्रियदर्शन जी। और अब मैं अनुरोध करती हूं आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति जी से कि अब फीचर फिल्म श्रेणी के विजेताओं को पुरस्कृत करें। फीचर फिल्म श्रेणी में सबसे पहले विशेष उल्लेख स्पेशल मेंशन पुरस्कार फिल्म कड़वी हवा के लिए निर्माता इलियानोरा इमेजेस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और श्री अक्षय कुमार पारीजा प्रोडक्शन को विशेष उल्लेख। इन्हें प्रमाण पत्र पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री अक्षय कुमार पारीजा। फिल्म के निर्देशक नील माधव पांडा को भी प्रमाण पत्र
for highlighting the farmers' struggle against the changing environmental conditions.
फिल्म मुक्ति भवन के लिए निर्माता रेड कार्पेट मूविंग पिक्चर्स को विशेष उल्लेख। प्रमाण पत्र ग्रहण करेंगी श्रीमती साजिदा शर्मा। फिल्म के निर्देशक शुभाशीष भूटियानी को भी प्रमाण पत्र।
A film which talks about death with the spirit of hope.
अभिनेता आदिल हुसैन को हिंदी फिल्म मुक्ति भवन और असमीज फिल्म माजरेती केतकी के लिए विशेष उल्लेख। आपको भी प्रमाण पत्र।
Two different films, two different characters, one same actor, one word, brilliant.
और अभिनेत्री सोनम कपूर को एयर होस्टेस नीरजा का मार्मिक किरदार निभाने के लिए फिल्म नीरजा के लिए विशेष उल्लेख। आपको प्रमाण पत्र।
A convincing performance of a real life icon.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ मॉडर्न फिल्म हांडुक निर्माता म्यांमारा प्रोडक्शन, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री कुमार दोहुतिया, आपको रजत कमल। निर्देशक जायचिंग जाय दोहुतिया, आपको भी रजत कमल।
The film tries to capture the essence of waiting with the problem of insurgency as a backdrop.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ तुलु फिल्म मदीपू, निर्माता आस्था प्रोडक्शंस को रजत कमल, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री संदीप कुमार नंदालिके। निर्देशक श्री चेतन मुंदादी को भी रजत कमल।
Madipu gets the award for sensitively highlighting the hollowness of orthodoxical traditions.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ तमिल फिल्म जोकर, निर्माता ड्रीम वॉरियर पिक्चर्स, पुरस्कार प्राप्त करेंगे श्री एस.आर. प्रभु, आपको रजत कमल। निर्देशक राजू मुरुगन, आपको भी रजत कमल।
A tragic and poetic narrative of an individual's struggle for a basic need in day-to-day life with an adequate dressing of sarcasm.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ गुजराती फिल्म रॉन्ग साइड, राजू, निर्माता सिनेमैन प्रोडक्शन लिमिटेड और फैंटम फिल्म्स, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री नयन जैन, आपको रजत कमल। फिल्म के निर्देशक श्री मिखिल मुसाले, आपको भी रजत कमल।
For highlighting the ethos of a moral dilemma.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ तेलुगु फिल्म पेल्लिल चुपुलु, निर्माता धर्मपथा क्रिएशंस के राज कुंदुपुरी एंड बिग बैन सिनेमास के यश रंगेनेनी, आपको रजत कमल। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री राज कुंदुकरी। फिल्म के निर्देशक है श्री तरुण भास्कर, आपको भी रजत कमल।
Desires and aspirations of the younger generation on a lighter note.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ मराठी फिल्म दशक्रिया, निर्माता रंगनील क्रिएशंस, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगी श्रीमती कल्पना विलास कोठारी, आपको रजत कमल। फिल्म के निर्देशक श्री संदीप भालाचंद्रा पाटिल, आपको भी रजत कमल।
Dashakriya wins the award for depicting an age-old tradition and exposing its darker side.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ मलयालम फिल्म महिषिंते प्रतिकारम, निर्माता ड्रीम मिल सिनेमाज एंड एंटरटेनमेंट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, पुरस्कार ग्रहण कर रहे हैं आशिक अबू, आपको रजत कमल। फिल्म के निर्देशक दिलीश पोथान को भी रजत कमल।
A roller coaster ride with tailor-made characters.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ कोंकणी फिल्म के सरा सरा घोड़पा चेन घोटेलम, निर्माता दी गोवन स्टूडियो, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री राजेश पेडनेकर, आपको रजत कमल। फिल्म के निर्देशक श्री राजीव शिंदे को भी रजत कमल।
Two different stories with which simultaneously bring out the inevitability of life.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ कन्नड़ फिल्म रिजर्वेशन, निर्माता तोड़ादम ने, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री याकूब खादेर गुलवादी, आपको रजत कमल। निर्देशक निखिल मंजू को भी रजत कमल, ये फिल्म के मुख्य अभिनेता भी हैं।
A brave attempt to showcase the harsh reality prevalent in our society.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ हिंदी फिल्म नीरजा, निर्माता फॉक्स स्टार स्टूडियोज इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड एंड ब्लिंग अनप्लग्ड, फॉक्स स्टार स्टूडियो की तरफ से पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री विजय सिंह, आपको रजत कमल। ब्लिंग अनप्लग्ड की ओर से श्री अतुल काजबेकर हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं और फिल्म के निर्देशक श्री राम माधवानी, आपको रजत कमल।
A sensitive story of a valiant battle brought alive with cinematic brilliance.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ बंगाली फिल्म बिसर्जन, निर्माता ओपेरा मूवीज, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे सुपर्णा कांति खराती, आपको रजत कमल। और अब आ रहे हैं फिल्म के निर्देशक श्री कौशिक गांगुली, आपको भी रजत कमल।
A visual poem which effortlessly liquidates geographical boundaries with an eraser made of love and hope.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ एसएमईज फिल्म माजराती केतकी निर्माता उदारा फिल्म्स पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगी। होंतना बोरोदोलोई जो इस फिल्म की निर्देशक भी हैं, आपको 2 रजत कमल, जोरदार तालियां।
Well, this film showcases how past affects the present, if not by choice, then by chance.
इस वर्ष से फीचर फिल्म श्रेणी में एक नए पुरस्कार की शुरुआत की गई है, बेस्ट एक्शन डायरेक्शन, स्टंट, कोरियोग्राफी, और ये पुरस्कार जाता है मलयालम फिल्म पुलिमुरुगन के लिए पीटर हेन को। आपको रजत कमल।
The action director incorporates various genres of fighting styles to achieve its effect in the film.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ नृत्य निर्देशन, बेस्ट कोरियोग्राफी, तेलुगु फिल्म जनता गराज के गीत प्रणामम के लिए नृत्य संयोजक श्री राजू सुंदरम। आपको रजत कमल।
Visually appealing and with a definite flourish and finish to the dance moves.
बेस्ट स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स का पुरस्कार श्री नवीन पॉल को हिंदी फिल्म शिवाय के लिए रजत कमल।
Well, this film has the action that has really encompassed the kind of film that needs to be made in this genre.
इस वर्ष का विशेष जूरी पुरस्कार जाता है भारतीय सिनेमा के एक अत्यंत ही प्रतिभाशालीन कलाकार श्री वी मोहनलाल को। फिल्म मुदिरी कल्ली बक्कल, तालिल कक्कू कंबोल, जनता गराज और पुल्ले मुरुगन के लिए रजत कमल।
For his mastery in dealing with characters of various shades with unparalleled acting brilliance, this is for the second time that V. Mohanlal is being honored with a special jury award for his acting. He's received this honor first time for the film Kiridam at the 37th National Film Awards.
और इस वर्ष का सर्वश्रेष्ठ गीत पुरस्कार बेस्ट सॉन्ग 2 गीतों को दिया जा रहा है। पहला पुरस्कार जाता है तमिल फिल्म धर्मदुराई के गीत एंडा पक्कम को। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे गीतकार श्री वायरामुथु। आपको रजत कमल।
It elucidates the philosophy of hope and happiness.
दूसरा सर्वश्रेष्ठ गीत पुरस्कार बेस्ट सॉन्ग बंगाली फिल्म प्राक्तन के गीत तुमी जाके भालोबाशो को। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे गीतकार श्री अनुपम रॉय। आपको रजत कमल।
Extolling the pathos of the situation, gelling beautifully with the philosophy of letting go.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ संगीत निर्देशन गीत का पुरस्कार जाता है कन्नड़ा फिल्म अल्लमा के लिए संगीत निर्देशक बापू पद्मनाभा को। इस फिल्म के लिए इन्हें सर्वश्रेष्ठ संगीत निर्देशन, म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन, बैकग्राउंड स्कोर का भी पुरस्कार दिया जाता है। आपको 2 रजत कमल।
For adding soul to the film through Carnatic ragas.
और सर्वश्रेष्ठ रूप सज्जा बेस्ट मेकअप का पुरस्कार दिया जाता है कन्नड़ा फिल्म अल्लमा के लिए मेकअप आर्टिस्ट श्री NK रामाकृष्णा को। आपको रजत कमल।
The film gives a sense of a historical figure and time through the art and craft of makeup.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ वेशभूषा बेस्ट कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनर का पुरस्कार श्री सचिन लोवलेकर को मराठी फिल्म साइकिल के लिए। आपको रजत कमल।
The film is able to achieve a rustic and simple sense of rural life through its costumes.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रोडक्शन डिजाइन का पुरस्कार जाता है तमिल फिल्म 24 के लिए प्रोडक्शन डिजाइनर श्री सुब्रतो चक्रवर्ती और अमित रे को। इन्हें सम्मानित किया जाता है रजत कमल से। पहले सुब्रतो चक्रवर्ती और फिर अमित रे। आपको भी रजत कमल।
The total production value of the film is more than its artifacts, locations, gadgets, etc., whereby giving it an organic whole. And now I request the dignitaries to take their seats as it's now time for another musical treat. Yes, I invite the best female playback singer, Ms. Imon Chakraborty, to sing her award-winning track, Tumi Jaake Bhalobasho, from the film Prakton. Prakton is a film about a married woman who's on a journey from Mumbai to Howrah by train and meets her ex-husband there. A journey of realizations and revelations. The film is a story of being at peace with yourself and the one you love. Thank you so much, Mr. Ivan Chakraborty. Thank you. Welcome back. And we continue with the next category of awards in the feature film section. I will request the Honorable President of India, sir, come forward and please give the awards.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ संपादन का पुरस्कार मराठी फिल्म वेंटिलेटर के लिए रामेश्वर भगत को, आपको रजत कमल।
Never a dull moment through organic as well as plastic juggling of short lengths.
बेस्ट ऑडियोग्राफी के लिए 2 पुरस्कार दिए जाएंगे। पहला साउंड डिजाइनर जयदेवन चकादत को मलयालम फिल्म काडू पुगनन नेरम के लिए, आपको रजत कमल।
For bringing out the feel of the forest and tribal hamlet through various natural as well as other elements.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ ऑडियोग्राफी री-रिकॉर्डिस्ट फाइनल मिक्स ट्रैक का पुरस्कार है आलोक डे को फिल्म वेंटिलेटर के लिए।
The film brings out a delicate balance between various spoken words and silence.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ पठालेखन ओरिजिनल का पुरस्कार जाता है मलयालम फिल्म महे इनके प्रतिकार के लिए श्याम पुष्कर को, इनको रजत कमल।
The screenplay interweaves the various idiosyncrasies of a small town near Idukki River.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ संवाद बेस्ट डायलॉग पुरस्कार जाता है तेलुगु फिल्म पेल्लिल चुपुलु के लिए संवाद लेखक थरुण भास्कर को। आपका ये दूसरा रजत कमल है।
The film has incorporated modern, witty and in-based dialogue, that too with a local flavor.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ पत्रकारिता अनुकूल एडेप्टेड का पुरस्कार जाता है मराठी फिल्म दशक्रिया को, श्री संजय कृष्णाजी पाटिल, आपको रजत कमल।
The film brings out a semblance of time and place specified in the novel by Baba.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ छायांकन का पुरस्कार तमिल फिल्म 24 के लिए श्री एस थिरुनावुकारसु को, आपको रजत।
For understating the basic requirements of popular movie watching experience and enhancing it manifold.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ महिला प्लेबैक गायक बेस्ट प्लेबैक सिंगर फीमेल का पुरस्कार बंगाली फिल्म प्राक्तन के गीत तुम्ही जाके भाले बाशों के लिए इमोन चक्रवर्ती को, आपको रजत कमल।
For conveying the emotion of letting go in the most mellifluous and soothing manner.
सर्वोत्तम पुरुष प्लेबैक गायक का पुरस्कार तमिल फिल्म जोकर के गीत जैस्मीने के लिए सुंदर अय्यर को, आपको रजत कमल से सम्मानित किया जाता है।
A rustic, flamboyant voice yearning for his lady love. We just heard the song, didn't we? And we liked it.
इस वर्ष का सर्वोत्तम बाल कलाकार पुरस्कार हमारे 4 बेहतरीन बाल सितारों को मलयालम फिल्म कुंजू देवम के लिए बाल कलाकार मास्टर आदिश प्रवीण, आपको रजत कमल।
He wears purity and innocence on his sleeves and we can all see it. Just look at him.
बाल कलाकार नूर इस्लाम अस्वस्थ होने के कारण हमारे बीच उपस्थित नहीं हैं और अब अगला नाम सैमुअल आलम।
The eternal and unique way of approaching life through their extraordinary performances.
कन्नड़ा फिल्म रेलवे चिल्ड्रन के लिए मास्टर मनोहरा के, आपको भी रजत कमल।
A childlike impulsiveness coated with a desire of attaining adulthood.
सर्वोत्तम सह अभिनेत्री बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्ट्रेस जायरा वसीम को हिंदी फिल्म दंगल के लिए रजत कमल।
She portrays a female sportsperson's battle with a society with utmost maturity.
और अगला पुरस्कार है सर्वश्रेष्ठ सह अभिनेता बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर का। ये जाता है मराठी फिल्म दशक्रिया के लिए श्री मनोज जोशी, आपको रजत कमल।
For an accomplished portrayal of a character.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ अभिनेत्री बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस मलयालम फिल्म मिन्न मिनुंगू द फायरफ्लाई के लिए रजत कमल जाता है सुरभि सीएम।
For showcasing her brilliance in portraying pain and ecstasy of a mother in a deplorable social condition, the film portrays the plight of a woman trapped in her own tragic circumstances.
और सर्वश्रेष्ठ अभिनेता का पुरस्कार हिंदी फिल्म रुस्तम के लिए लोकप्रिय अभिनेता अक्षय कुमार, आपको मिलता है रजत कमल।
A perfect portrayal of a character caught in personal and social turmoil.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ निर्देशन का पुरस्कार मराठी फिल्म वेंटिलेटर के लिए निर्देशक श्री राजेश मपुस्कर, आपको स्वर्ण कमल।
A huge canvas, an ensemble cast and a different subject all dealt with utmost supremacy.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ एनिमेशन फिल्म पुरस्कार हिंदी फिल्म महायोद्धा राम की निर्माता कॉन्टिलो पिक्चर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, आपको स्वर्ण कमल। पुरस्कार ग्रहण कर रहे हैं श्री अभिमन्यु सिंह। फिल्म के निर्देशक रोहित वैद, आपको भी स्वर्ण कमल। फिल्म के एनिमेटर दीपक एसवी, आपको भी स्वर्ण कमल।
An epic drama brought alive with technical excellence.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ बाल फिल्म धनक, निर्माता दृश्यम फिल्म्स एंड एसआईसी प्रोडक्शंस, पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री मनीष मुद्रा, आपको स्वर्ण कमल। एसआईसी प्रोडक्शन की ओर से इला हेपतुल्ला हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं। फिल्म के निर्देशक श्री नागेश कुकनूर को भी स्वर्ण कमल।
In appreciation of exploring a child's world devoid of malice.
पर्यावरण संरक्षण परिरक्षण पर सर्वोत्तम फिल्म लॉकटक लाइरेम्बी, निर्माता और निर्देशक हावबम पवन कुमार को 2 रजत कमल।
The film brings out the nuances of an environmental issue in a heart-wrenching and touching manner.
सर्वोत्तम सामाजिक मुद्दों पर सर्वश्रेष्ठ फिल्म का पुरस्कार पिंक को, निर्माता रश्मि वर्मा फिल्म्स, राइजिंग सन फिल्म्स, सरस्वती एंटरटेनमेंट एंड शील कुमार। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगी रश्मि शर्मा, आपको रजत कमल। राइजिंग सन फिल्म से श्री सुजीत सरकार भी हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं। फिल्म पिंक के निर्देशक श्री अनिरुद्ध रॉय चौधरी को भी रजत कमल।
A gender neutral perspective of a social problem which definitely needs to be addressed.
राष्ट्रीय एकीकरण पर सर्वोत्तम फिल्म का नरगिस दत्त पुरस्कार फीचर फिल्म दिक्सो बनत पला के निर्माता कैनवस पोप को रजत पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे उत्पल कुमार दास। फिल्म के निर्देशक हॉन्जी हॉबा पंडित को भी रजत कमल।
The film brings out oneness of our feelings amidst differences.
लोकप्रिय और स्वस्थ मनोरंजन प्रदान करने के लिए सर्वश्रेष्ठ फिल्म का पुरस्कार जाता है सतमानम भवती, निर्माता श्री वेंकटेश्वरा क्रिएशन को स्वर्ण कमल पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री वीवी रेड्डी। फिल्म के निर्देशक श्री सतीश वेगेसना को भी स्वर्ण कमल।
In appreciation of providing a feeling of jubilation by respecting family values in an unexplored manner.
निर्देशक की सर्वोत्तम प्रथम फिल्म के लिए इंदिरा गांधी पुरस्कार फिल्म अलीफा को फिल्म के निर्माता अरमान प्रोडक्शंस को स्वर्ण कमल पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री अरमान अहमद। फिल्म के निर्देशक श्री दीप चौधरी को भी स्वर्ण कमल।
It brings out the nuances of a very complex socio-environmental problem.
और अब फीचर फिल्म श्रेणी का सर्वोच्च पुरस्कार, सर्वश्रेष्ठ फीचर फिल्म का पुरस्कार इस बार मराठी फिल्म कासव को निर्माता विचित्र निर्मिति एंड मोहन अगाशे को स्वर्ण कमल पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे डॉक्टर मोहन अगाशे। फिल्म की निर्देशिका श्रीमती सुमित्रा भावे को भी स्वर्ण कमल। फिल्म के निर्देशक श्री सुनील सुकथनकर को भी स्वर्ण कमल।
In appreciation of the perfect blending of an environmental behavior and a personal one in a poignantly beautiful cinematic way. This is for the 6th time that a Marathi film has won the Best Feature Film. For that matter, the first film to win a Best Feature Film was a Marathi film, Shamchi Ai, directed by Prahlad Keshav Atre.
और अब वक्त है भारतीय सिनेमा के सर्वोत्तम सम्मान का, दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड। दादा साहेब फाल्के पुरस्कार भारतीय सिनेमा के संवर्धन और विकास में अप्रतिम योगदान के लिए किसी एक फिल्मी व्यक्ति को दिया जाता है। इसके अंतर्गत पुरस्कार स्वरूप स्वर्ण कमल, 10 लाख रुपए, प्रमाण पत्र, स्क्रॉल और शॉल प्रदान किए जाते हैं। इस वर्ष ये सम्मान मशहूर फिल्मकार काशीनाथुनी विश्वनाथ को दिया जा रहा है। जोरदार तालियां।
A director, par excellence and a brilliant screenwriter, Kasinatuni Vishwanath is believed to have made a significant number of 95 feature films and 26 short films under the banner Hindustan Films in barely 15 years. Can we please have the AV for this year's Dada Saheb Phalke Award winner, Shri Vishwanath.
And I'm still here in front of you to tell you how fortunate I am to belong to a wonderful creator of cinema who in his own realm is not only just a mere director, but I think an acharya who puts beautiful, simple truths of human existence on celluloid, and that is Mr. Vishwanath.
Kashinathuni Vishwanath was born in 1930 at the threshold of sound era of Indian films. It could not be a mere coincidence that he joined the film industry as a sound recordist, for cinema had to pave the way for this great master who chose to tell his stories with the sound of music. Without too much of a delay, destiny spotted his talent, and K. Vishwanath became a film director.
Then I made one film called Sirisiri Muva in Telugu, which is later made as Sargam. So from then onwards I switched on to music and dance as the main criteria for my themes.
I feel that Vishwanath Ji is my guru. When Vishwanath Ji narrated me this Siri Siri Muva, I thought of it, oh my God, how I am going to perform and all. He given the strength and he made me to do this kind of a character.
Whatever love I have for these fine arts, which God has not given me, I want to fulfill those hidden wishes of mine through my characters, through my characterization. That's how these characters are born. That's how my music is born. That's how these dances are innovated.
Cinema became a vehicle for him to convey his feelings and concerns for his fellow human beings. Even while upholding the values of our tradition, he never hesitated to criticize society for inequality and injustice. Not with heavy slogans, but with a subtle flow of music.
That your song situation must be integrated with the main story.
He got a special feeling, special respect for the women.
As the audience begged for an encore, cinema could not just keep him behind the screen, so Vishwanath became an actor par excellence. Nearly 6 decades of creative pursuits, awards and accolades. Prolific nature of his work never affected the quality of his films. Without losing track, without losing purpose, he walks tall like a yogi, making us proud of our culture, making us proud to be Indian.
जोरदार तालियों के साथ श्री के विश्वनाथ जी पर हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं।
We request the Honorable President to come forward. Thank you, sir.
श्री के विश्वनाथ जी दादा साहेब पुरस्कार से सम्मानित होने वाले भारतीय सिनेमा के एक लंबी फिल्म यात्रा का अनुभव रखने वाले महान फिल्मकार श्री के विश्वनाथ जी।
I'm sure we'd all like to hear what K. Vishwanath sir has to say at this legendary moment. Requesting you, sir, to say a few words.
ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనాలు. On this very auspicious occasion of receiving this prestigious and coveted Dada Saheb Phalke Award, I offer my pranams to my parents who are there, and to Almighty who is everywhere, to His Excellency, the President, Honorable Minister, and all the jury members who are right here, and to all of you, to all my fans everywhere in India. Sarve Janas Sukhino Bhavantu.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद श्री के विश्वनाथ जी। एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और बधाई।
May I now request the Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, to please come and address the audience.
परम आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी जी और केंद्र सरकार में मेरे साथी, मेरे सहयोगी कर्नल राज्यवर्धन राठौड़ और केंद्र सरकार में इस विभाग का सचिव श्री राजीव गाबा, जूरी का सभी सदस्यगण और सभी पुरस्कार ग्रहीता और आज इस विशेष कार्यक्रम में आए हुए सभी बहनों और भाइयों, I feel it's an honor to be present here and addressing you all at this occasion of the celebration of Indian cinema, which is a religion of all religions in our nation. It's a religion of all religions. There is a saying which goes as following: cinema is the reflection of life, with all boring parts cut out. Indeed, films transport us into a parallel world, giving us reprieve from our daily mundane lives while provoking our thoughts and imagination through entertainment. It is the most beautiful form of expression that encompasses a multitude of visual arts such as music, dance, and drama. It is also a medium through which contemporary socio-economic, political, and cultural issues of individuals and society are showcased. The language of cinema is universal. The cinema language is universal. Whether you know that language or not, you will understand the message. That is the greatness of the cinema. It is a powerful tool to reach out to people transcending the boundaries in society. Indian cinema has remarkably showcased the vast richness of our cultural diversity, our beautiful landscape, languages, and has been a great unifying force promoting our national integration. विविधता में एकता, भारत का विशेषता, अलग भाषा, अलग वेश, फिर भी अपना एक देश. Irrespective of caste, creed, sex, religion and region, India is one. We are one nation, one people, one country. That is the message. Since the making of the film Raja Harishchandra by the late Dada Saab Phalke in 1913 as a Mookie silent production, Indian cinema has undergone a great transformation through process of cyclical change in respect of themes and technology. Just now we have felicitated this year's Dada Saab Phalke Award winner, the great director of Indian cinema, Sri Kasinath Vishwanath. His specialty is no violence, no vulgarity, no obscenity, no fighting. But cinema was entertaining and became a great success. That is the example he has shown to all of us and is a great inspiration to the budding directors who want to make a debut in the films. Friends, we have seen also just now, the Prime Minister has given a call to all of us, Make in India. And the Make in India is also reflected in the recent movies, one after another. They are all now becoming popular not only in India, but also across the globe. Whether it is Dangal, whether it is Sultan, or now the latest is Bahubali, is making waves across the world. It has become a trendsetter in all respects and bears testimony of the scale of grandeur in Indian films. It is a shining example of Make in India. Essentially a homegrown feature produced by homegrown talent and technology like visual effects, computer-generated imaginary. I congratulate the director and his highly skilled crew for this wonderful achievement, which is making all of us proud that India also has that talent and capacity and caliber. We are second to none. That has been proved beyond a point. India produces the highest number of films every year in the world, with about 1,500 films per year and 25 to 30 releases every week. The role and importance of film industry is too significant to be ignored. It is the cheapest available entertainment for the mankind in the country and in the world also, the film. Apart from the economic dimensions, the film industry assumes more importance as it seeks to reach out to the minds of the people by engaging the viewer for about 2.5 hours every time he goes to watch a film. The larger question that emerges is how creative, constructive and meaningful this precious engagement is. That is where all stakeholders need to reflect. On this important occasion, I would like to call upon everybody, please reflect on this aspect. It is widely acknowledged that visuals have the most enduring influence on human mind and psyche. That's where the slight degree of caution is required. The film production is all about creative handling of a theme. In the pursuit of commercial success, I regret to note that this creative element is on the decline, and instead more and more routine and creature products are also being dished out. But there are many exceptions to this. Cinema should celebrate the life in its various forms and dimensions. In the process, the viewer should relate himself to what he gets to see on the screen. Care and caution should be taken while depicting stories of tragedy. This engagement could be plain entertainment and a reinforcement of certain values and practices, or an enlightening, elevating and revealing experience. Industry has been making its own choices in this regard, and I believe artistic freedom is paramount in such a field. Friends, with the history of over 6 decades, the National Film Awards have attained a prestigious status that is recognized not only in India, but also in the global cinema. The National Film Awards is a step in the direction to showcase our capacity, our caliber, to set standards and recognize the efforts of Indian filmmakers and artists who achieve high standards of filmmaking. Today, I am honored to be in the midst of some very important, talented and creative people who are a part of our film industry journey. From promotion fund set up by government, film promotion fund is a new initiative taken up by this government. It will provide financial assistance to the independent Indian filmmakers to promote their films at international film festivals across the world, thereby promoting India cinema in the international arena. This is the new initiative taken up by this government. Film Promotion Fund is a new creation of this government. It is indeed a matter of pride that the film fraternity of our country has set its mind on delivering excellence and promoting social values. This year, the movies that have won the awards focus on a variety of issues of themes ranging from discrimination, love, historical relationship, and relevant social challenges. The number of entries in various sections of the awards have been increasingly steadily over the years. I was sharing with the Honorable President of India that you have seen the creativity among the younger generation. That shows the future of the country is safe in the hands of this younger generation who have made to this today's function and achieved some awards. This year, we have introduced 2 new awards, that is the Best Stunt Direction in the feature section and the Best On-Location Sound on the non-feature section. The stunt and all, we will be seeing heroes. You have some of the heroes here doing all the stunt and fighting, but behind them, there are other heroes also who are supplementing their efforts and giving them the needed this thing. That's why, upon a suggestion received by some friends from the film industry, I told the department to introduce the new category of this stunt also, and also on-location sound in the non-feature section also. These are the new 2 additions. I would like to congratulate the jury chairperson, Sri Priyadarshini ji of the feature section, Sri Raju Mishra of the non-feature section, Mrs. Bhavana Somaya of the Best Writing on Cinema, and Sri Madhur Bhandarkar of the Most Film-Friendly State Award. These dignitaries and their teams have brought about the best of Indian cinema under one roof. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award is the touchstone of the gathering respect and accolades for one's contribution to Indian cinema. It's a great luck and honor of ours to have the opportunity to present Sri Kasyanathan Vishwanath with this distinction. His films set a paradigm for individuals to build a constructive career, respect their elders, value relationship, and look beyond physical beauty. Physical beauty. Look beyond physical beauty and see the inner beauty and do our duty and then become mighty. This is the message of Sri Vishwanath's films. It's not only external, but it's internal. And we also have our tradition, our culture, our heritage, our values, which our forefathers have given. आदि काल से, वेद काल से, पुराण काल से जो पूर्वजों ने जिया, दिया, विरासत में हमको मिला, हमारा संस्कृति, हमारा परंपरा को उसको कायम रखना चाहिए. सिनेमा हमेशा इस विषय को भी ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. We have to keep the values, the traditions set by our forefathers, who has given us this great wealth of culture. So we have to preserve it through cinema. Is the best medium to communicate to the new generation. Our constitution itself provides certain safeguards in respect of exercise of various freedoms and is expected of all stakeholders to abide by them. The government would not like to create any hurdles in the flourishing of creative ideas and certainly does not like any controversies. Let me make it very clear. But at the same time, the Constitution of India, which we all have approved, has cast certain responsibilities and safeguards in respect of exercise of various freedoms and is expected of all stakeholders to abide by the same. Industry should take lead in putting in place appropriate self-regulation mechanism so that this creative platform of films becomes more responsible, more responsive, more acceptable and enduring to the people. To produce the highest number of films is one thing and to come out with quality production is another. A film which is devoid of content and relevance to individual lives and society will be a shallow exercise. In the end, I would like our films to be relevant to people's lives, celebrate the rich diversity of our culture, traditions and geography and become an instrument of change. You can be rest assured of least interference by our government and its agencies in this celebration of India and being Indian. We should feel proud that we belong to this great country and we should feel proud that we are Indians. That Indianness also should be reflected in the cinema. I would like to acknowledge the role and contribution of films in promoting a sense of oneness, national unity and integration. No other medium did as much as films in this regard. So my congratulations to all the award winners. And I request them to continue their hard work and keep nurturing Indian cinema. Friends, the country is moving forward under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. And there is a new mission Modi going on. Modi is not Narendra Modi, MODI, making of developed India. The development includes all. The development includes all. The development includes creativity. The development includes social values. The development includes respecting each other and living together in harmony. This is the message of the mission Modi. I would like everybody to keep that in mind and move forward. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your speech. It was filled with content and context. Thank you again. And now I invite the Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, to address the audience.
Good evening, Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Minister, Information and Broadcasting, Colonel Rajyavardhan Rathore, Minister in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Sri Rajiv Gauba, Secretary to the Ministry, distinguished chairpersons of various benches of jury, distinguished guests, distinguished award winners, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a very pleasant occasion to me to be present amidst you this evening when I saw mini India represented in a hall with all its features and characteristics its diversity in language, culture, religion, customs, usage, but yet underlying one unity. Underlying unity and integrity. Sometimes, even at this mature age and being in public life for more than 5 decades, I mesmerized how it is possible. What is the inherent strength of keeping this vast multitude of people, 130 crores of Indians, practicing 200 languages in our daily lives, following 7 major religions, consisting of all 3 major ethnic groups, Caucasians, Dravidians, Mongolites, in different parts of India, yet under one system, one constitution, one administration. And that is the heritage of our cultural civilization which we have inherited through ages. That is India. And I am happy that in this 64th film festival, I have seen that microscope of that India. Cinemas in different languages, reflecting different usages, systems, customs, and conveying one sense of broad humanity, tolerance, acceptance, celebration of diversity, which have been reflected in different films, which have been recognized by honorable members of the jury and which are found worth receiving the recognition of the nation through these national awards. I congratulate all the award winners in different sectors. I particularly congratulate Sri Vishwanath for receiving the very distinguished award of Dada Saheb Phalke for this year. As it is known to everybody, Dada Saheb Phalke could be described as the pioneer and father of film industry in India, whose adventurous step in 30s of the last century brought Indian film industry today to face challenges from different corners, different angles, but yet finding out its rightful place in the world. I congratulate the government for initiating to help the Indian film industry, and particularly to the younger generations in the industry, with courage, conviction, competence, and confidence in themselves to take the challenges and prove their worth in the international community. To participate in the international film festivals requires encouragement from the state, and as it is being provided through the fund created by the government, I appreciate and congratulate the initiative taken for this. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as I have mentioned, like diversities of Indian life, Indian film industries are full of diversities, but yet it conveys one message. That message is of universal brotherhood, tolerance, cooperation, coexistence, and essentially the message which the successful filmmakers have conveyed, that we may be argumentative, but we cannot be intolerant. Argumentative Indian, permissible in our civilization, but intolerant Indians do not find any place in Indian ethos, in Indian culture, in Indian civilization. And I am happy that Indian film industry has never forgot this basic message to be conveyed to the people. About the influence of cinema, it is useless to speak in this audience who knows it and who dedicate themselves to convey this message through their work. It is heartening for any person to witness so many young faces recognized for their excellence in their respective areas of activities. And when the young generation takes it up, we can feel safe and secure that our interests, our national interests, are well protected. Once again, I congratulate all the awardees, and particularly to Mr. Vishwanathan for receiving this distinguished honor and national recognition in the Dadasaheb Phalke Award and making your own contribution towards the greater objective of national unity, integrity, and also to convey the strong message of these through your work. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Shri C. Senthil Rajan? Shri C. Senthil Rajan, Director, Directorate of Film Festivals, to give his vote of thanks.
Honorable Rashtrapati Ji, Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Shri Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, Colonel Rajyavardhan Rathore, Secretary, Information and Broadcasting, Shri Rajiv Gauba, dignitaries on the dais, members of the jury, award winners, and members of the distinguished audience. I would like to thank the Honorable President for presenting the 64th National Film Awards, which reflects the importance given by the Government of India to promote excellence in cinema. I am grateful to the Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, who has been the guiding force behind this entire program. I would also like to thank the Honorable Minister for State, Colonel Rajyavardhan Rathore, who supported us to ensure that the process was completed on time. I would like to thank both the secretaries, Shri Rajiv Gauba and Shri Ajay Mittal, for their support and guidance in putting together this program. A special thanks to all the jury members who spent hours watching movies and reading books and articles to ensure that the best of best was selected and honored. It is a privilege and honor for us to present the Dadasaheb Phalke Award to Shri K. Vishwanath, who has proved that box office and critical acclaim can be achieved through good story-based films. My special thanks and congratulations and respect to all the award winners who will now enter the club of National Award winners and serve as an inspiration for upcoming filmmakers to raise the bar of Indian cinema to further heights. This program is a combined effort of the media units of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, which is the Press Information Bureau, Doordarshan, Doordarshan News, All India Radio, Photo Division, Song and Drama Division, CCW, and many others. I would also like to thank the print and electronic media and other agencies, namely Delhi Police and Vigyan Bhavan, authorities for contributing to this ceremony this evening. A special word of thanks to all my colleagues at DFF, for at DFF, the National Film Awards is the most prestigious program that we organize, and we are engaged in this activity for nearly 5 months to ensure that all of us are able to celebrate the best of Indian cinema every year, and now we are at the 64th edition. With this, we come to the end of this program. I would also like to welcome all of you to the public screenings of the National Award-winning films at the City Fort Auditorium 2, starting from tomorrow evening, and we will have 3 shows every day. So I hope all of you will enjoy these films, and I will assure you that you will get to see the best of Indian cinema of the last year. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sri Rajan. I would now request everyone to please rise to the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
इसी के साथ 64th नेशनल फिल्म अवार्ड्स का वितरण समारोह संपन्न हुआ। सभी विजेताओं को एक बार फिर बहुत बहुत बधाई। ढेर सारे सपने पूरे करके ये शाम अब समाप्त होती है। धन्यवाद।